Good morning, children. Welcome back. Now we'll be continuing with man and environment. The land, air, and water, including the landforms, plants, and animals that surround us, are called the physical environment. Okay, physical or environment means land, water, air, plant, everything. Changes in the environment happen naturally. Such changes are actually gradual and affect life form over millions of years. Okay, past few centuries, these have been rapid changes. There have been rapid changes in the physical environment on account of the following action of man. Okay, whatever development and whatever inventions the human being is doing, by that so many changes has been occurred and noticed. Rapid population growth. You all know that the world population keep doubling every 15 to 20 years. Today the world population is 7,290 million. It is the report which is being made, survey report in 2015 it is being made. Since the land area has remained same and other resources are scarce. Okay, land area is same, right? But other resources that are very less. This has put heavy pressure on land, right? If you have think about it, if in a small place it is being asked that you have to 100 of people should stand. So is it possible that a particular thing is going to bear the weight of that particular thing? In that manner only, space, land area is same, but the resources and this, it is putting heavy pressure on the land and other resources of the earth, and forced several animal and plant species out of existence. Now so many species are there, whether it is water animal, land animal or other, that are being extinct, right? They are not present. Earlier it was present because of the pollution, cutting of forest, and so many reasons are there. By that the people, the things are being becoming slowly extinct. Then second one is deforestation. Cutting down of forest is a direct result of growing human population. Okay, we are not having space, because of that forest and places are being trees are being cut, and there they are going to make the factories or the apartments or the peoples for making the people's adaptation and all, right? So these all things are being cut for the sake of human being only, for making the human to live. Forests are very much essential for maintaining the balance of gas in air. Trees provide food and shelter for animals. When trees are cut down, many animals become extinct. They are not getting place to live. Right. So where they will be living? Slowly their particular habitation is already lost. Pollution. Many of the man's activities are spoiling our surroundings. These include the large number of transport, vehicles, factories, use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides in agriculture, generating huge quantity of waste in kitchen, laboratories, factories, offices, hospital, etc. So these are the human activity only, because of which the pollution is rising day by day and the things are being damaged. They are making water bodies dirty and polluting the air by adding more carbon dioxide and many undesirable gases to it. In the environment, these all, because of these, the undesirable gases are being added. Carbon dioxide is increasing day by day, like that. Environmental pollution is seriously upsetting the relationship between lithosphere, atmosphere and hydrosphere. For example, It is upsetting the relationship between all these three. For example, oil slick and other waste that flow into water body affect the rate of evaporation and cause havoc on marine life. As a result, rainfall patterns get disturbed. Rate of evaporation and cause havoc on marine life. As a result, rainfall patterns is disturbed, thus in turn affect plant growth adversely. Okay, these all things are interconnected with each other, and if one is going to be get disturbed, definitely other is going to have to face the problem. Since plants are the basic source of food on earth, the whole balance of nature is becoming upset, right? It is not being managed and balanced. Protecting the environment, how we are going to protect? Now, protection, it is very much necessary and important issue today. Not only in India but throughout the world, some of the measures are being given, because if we are not going to protect the environment further, we are going to face too many problems are there, right? Now, to restrict the growth of human population through various measures, including creating awareness and spreading literacy. People are educated. If the people are becoming educated, then definitely they are going to know the things which is happening in our surrounding, and they are going to safeguard and take the measures for protecting it. Second, prevent pollution by inculcating clean habits. Keeping the environment clean through proper handling of waste. Keep throwing the waste in the proper way and keeping our surrounding neat and clean. Afforestation means what? Growing more and more trees. Not cutting the trees but planting more and trees near our surrounding in gardens and all. Many national parks and sanctuaries have been started for protecting plant and animals. Now, in so many places, this kind of awareness has been increased and people are trying that this can be protected. Use alternative fuels. Normal fuel we are using, because of that whatever gas is coming out, it is damaging. So, for alternative fuel, that is CNG, compressed natural gas, in vehicle in place of petrol and diesel, which is not harmful. Prohibiting the use of polythene bags. Polythene is very much dangerous. If any animal is going to eat or chew with the help of the mouth and it is getting in the stomach, it is going to make very some kind of situation can arise that the animal can die also. When discarded, these bags do not decompose. Okay, plastics are not being decomposed after so many years also, and mix with the soil like the organic waste are going to mix. Many other such important steps can be taken for protecting and preserving the environment, so that we and our future generation which is going to come, they are going to live in a good surrounding, in a good environment which is not going to damage, right? Okay, thank you children.